everybody, welcome back to my channel. My Sephora play box has arrived and I'm ready to dig in. Sephora Play is a monthly subscription box for excuse me, for $10 a month. You get 5 sample size beauty items plus 1 beauty bonus. You get a collectible bag. You get a play pass that's worth 50 Sephora bucks, or points I guess, if you use it for an in-store purchase. For a full-size purchase. And this little guide, it's like a little infographic thing. Next Gen Beauty. Innovative batch of beauty is exactly what you need to be a trendsetter this season. So I guess that's what's going on in the box. Next level beauty. Next Gen Beauty. You also get access to play dates, which I guess are classes or something you could go to and sign up for, meet other Sephora people. I don't know, I've never done a play date, but you could. Let us see what's in our box this month. My collectible bag is, it's usually a little drawstring bag, but this one is like a Ziploc. Okay. So what's in my little Ziploc bag? The Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. Collagen formulated with vitamin C. It brightens and hydrates. I love vitamin C products, generally speaking. They just do good things for my skin. So I'm excited to try this. Ole Henriksen. Okay, let's see. Put my hand in the bag. What comes out next? It is Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. Buildable formula that coats lashes in a intense black color. This is one of the Sephora collection in-house brand products. It says it makes the lashes bold and thick, so that's what they're going for. I do like buildable mascara. I hate when it gets clumpy, so hopefully this won't do that. And next in the bag. You would think I could just see what's in here, but you really can't, even though it's sort of clear. This one's little. Marc Jacobs lip cream. In the color Boy Gorgeous. I love it. Great name. I'm not sure what Boy Gorgeous is. This is a Marc Jacobs cream lipstick in a berry shade. Oh, cute packaging. Cute packaging alert. Okay, let's see. Let's see what color Boy Gorgeous is. Ooh. Oh, I like that. That is a nice color. Focus. Sorry. There it is. Look at that. Oh, I like this color. I like it a lot. And it's not a color you see a lot of. You get a lot of bright reds, especially this time of year, and some kind of like dusty pinks are very popular, I think, because they're not very expensive in these boxes. So this kind of like berry shade is really nice. And I dig the adorable packaging. I really do. Sucker for adorable packaging. Next up, Boscia Cactus Water Hydrating Cream. Boscia. It is a lightweight moisturizer with Queen of the Night Cactus for soft, supple skin. Because what else would a moisturizer be for but soft, supple skin? Okay. I like the color of the package. Does that mean anything? A light moisturizer, because we're not quite into the dry, wintry months, even though the weather's starting to turn for the autumn. The last regular item is Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer with coconut water, probiotic-based ingredients, and skin revivers. That is a lot of stuff to put on a tiny package front. It is a replenishing primer that hydrates skin and creates a perfect canvas for makeup. Okay. And this month's bonus item is a fragrance. It's been a while since we've gotten a fragrance. Amazing Grace Ballet Rose from Philosophy. Is it just straight up rose? I'm going to look and see what it says the notes are. Family, floral. Top notes, rose, absolute, and dewy peony. Oh, peonies are my favorite flowers. Middle notes of lychee and jasmine petal. And base notes of pink musk. I don't love lychee, so I don't know if I will like this. Oh, it's not a spray. It's one of these. It's one of these doohickeys. I smell the lychee, but it's not that pronounced. It's very rose forward, which makes sense. I mean, the name of it is Rose. So I'm glad that Ballet Rose is very rose forward. The lychee's not bothering me. It's been a while since we got a fragrance as our bonus item. I kind of missed them, actually. My favorite fragrance that I wear basically every day was one that I found from the Sephora Play Box. So I kind of missed getting the fragrance samples. The bonus used to almost exclusively be fragrance samples, and then in recent months they started switching that up a little bit. So it's been a while since we've gotten a fragrance sample, and I'm into it. So thoughts about this month's Sephora Play Box? I dig it. Item I'm most looking forward to. This Ole Henriksen Vitamin C Collagen Truth Serum. But I'm really excited about this little Marc Jacobs lipstick also. The packaging is too cute, and the berry is, I would say, unconventional, but maybe it's going to be a fall trend. We'll peek into the future. Either way, I groove on it. Those are my two favorites. Tell me down in the comments what you were most excited about in this month's box. Yeah. I honestly am usually very pleased with my Sephora play box, so I rarely have anything sad to say about it. Thank you for coming to open my box with me this month, and I hope you have a wonderful day. If you would like to watch more Girl and Her Box unboxings, you can click here. If you would like to watch some of my Life Around Here videos, more of a vlog style, they're right up here. Last month's Sephora play box will be right down here. If you want to see more videos like these, you click the circular subscribe icon.